Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens on the Oneplus 9 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heat gun. Carefully work around the back cover edges and apply the heat to soften the glue on the back cover. Alternatively, you can use a heat pad or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and rear cover. Next, insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the back cover and to remove the camera lens, apply the heat to soften the glue on the rear side of the camera lens. Once you feel the heating is enough, first, if needed, can take out the two main camera lens rings by applying slight pressure from the rear side. If not, apply slight pressure from the rear side to create an opening, and then use a cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive under the camera lens. Be gentle and take out the camera lens. There are 3 different replacement parts available for this repair. You can select the camera lens with the frame or camera lens without the frame or just 2 camera lens rings. Select the required part and replace the new camera lens and apply adhesive to it. Most of the time the replacement camera lens comes with adhesive. Otherwise you can use B7000 glue or double-sided adhesive. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.